Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about our five senses and how they affect our critical thinking skills. Before we go into details, let's remember our five senses. It might seem such a simple topic, but at the end of the video, you will be very surprised. The first sense we use most of the time is our sight. On the screen, you see two different pictures, and there are differences between these two pictures, even though they look the same. In order to detect the differences, what should you do? You should look at them carefully. In other words, you should use your sight. This is the first sense. The second one, you see two different cups, and you need to find out which one is colder or hotter. Let's go with the hotter, okay? What should you do? Of course, you should feel it. Can you taste it? Actually, I don't suggest you to taste anything. These days, hygiene is really important. That goes without saying. So instead of tasting this water in these cups, it is best if you use your finger. And if you use your finger, automatically you are using your touch. It is the second sense. Okay. I know what you are thinking. This picture is half disgusting, half amazing. I totally understand. I also think the same. On the left side, we see a dirty pair of socks. On the right side, we see colorful flowers. When you put these two pictures, which sense do you think I am implying? Of course, I want you to think about your smelling sense. Now, again, we are getting confused. What is this? On the left side, we have hot red chili pepper. On the right side, we have amazing chocolate cake. So, when you look at these pictures, what is the sense that comes to your mind? Of course, it is taste. This is an interesting one. When you look at this picture, there is a classroom and there is a teacher. Of course, the teacher is explaining a certain topic. So, which sense is more dominant? Of course, in this picture, you can think about other senses, but which one is the most dominant? If you ask me, the most dominant sense here is listening. So, altogether, we have five senses and we rely on these five senses a lot. We all know that we rely on our five senses really a lot. This is the biggest problem in front of us. If you want to achieve higher critical thinking skills, you should rely something else in addition to our five senses. Now I want to explain my point with this little experiment. As you see, there are five cups in front of us. If I apply five of my skills, five of my senses, these cups will be the same. I can smell them, I can touch them, I can taste them. They look the same, but I can guarantee that these cups are not the same. How? Let me remove the first cup. When I remove the first cup, what do we see? We see one ball under the first cup. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to remove the second cup. How many balls do we see? Two. So, under the first cup, we see one ball. Under the second cup, we see two balls. Let's see what will happen when I remove the third cup. When I remove the third cup, I see that there are three balls. Now let's think about the fourth cup. When I remove the fourth cup, how many balls do you think we are gonna see? I can hear you guys. You are all saying 4. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Under the fourth cup, we see 4 balls. I'm gonna repeat my question. If I remove the fifth cup, how many balls do you think we are gonna see under the fifth cup? I will pause for like 2 seconds and you can tell your answer. Now I'm gonna remove the fifth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are all right. I'm sure that most of you said under the fifth cup there are 5 balls. But what did I use? How did I see the connection? Did I smell the cups? Did I taste the cups? Did I feel the cups? No. In addition to 5 senses, what did I use? Actually, I used thinking. I have seen the pattern. Under the first cup, there is 1 ball. Under the third cup, there are 3 balls. If you want to see this pattern in the nature, you shouldn't be relying on your 5 senses a lot. Also, you should use your thinking skills. Thank you so much for watching. Please write some comment about this video or questions.